In the two major production bases located in Huizhou and Jinmen, EVE is committed to building digital factories. The production capacity of high-end power battery is 11 gigawatts, and it will reach 52 gigawatts by 2021. Products include prismatic NCM cells, prismatic LFP cells, and pouch NCM cells. The prismatic LFP cell automated production line is equipped with automatic loading systems, imported double-sided automatic coating equipment, high-precision pressure control systems, and intelligent RGV scheduling systems to create the highly intelligent manufacturing process. There are more than 2,856 quality control points. Dust control for key processes reaches level 5, and the primary yield rate exceeds 98%. Automatic pouch NCM cell production line integrates intelligence throughout its entire life cycle. It adopts MES, ERP, PLM, APS, and WMS systems to build a highly intelligent and information-based light-out factory. With more than 2,600 quality control points and proven third-generation, high-speed, high-precision pouch cell stacking technology, the production efficiency is improved by 120%, precision is increased by 50%, and cost reduced by 15%. Prismatic LFP cell automation packing production line utilizes the MES system to collect the equipment data of the whole process in a timely and accurate manner to guarantee the refined production management. Key processes have all realized intelligent robot operation, and the high-performance CMT welding technology and vision system positioning VSB laser welding improves the battery reliability and safety. Automatic packing production line of pouch NCM battery has realized highly informationalized and intelligent manufacturing. Robots and motion platforms equipped with vision systems are used for precise positioning and assembly on the entire line to achieve automatic loading, automatic assembly, automatic testing, and MES data collection. Using intelligent precision equipment, the welding deviation is less than 1%. The tightening torque accuracy is plus or minus 5%, and the channel output voltage and current accuracy is 0.05%. The more attention we pay to the details, the more attention we pay to the products, with all the patience and dedication that the product requires. This is what makes EVE stand out from the crowd. Great achievement is to be accomplished step by step. EVE's Light-Out Factory is opening a new chapter in intelligent manufacturing of lithium batteries.